RDX English Learning.
Hi, do I need an appointment?
No, you can walk in.
I want a haircut, please.
Sure. How would you like it?
Just a trim, please.
Okay, I'll take off 1 inch.
Can you wash my hair first?
Yes, I'll do that now.
Is the water too cold?
No, it feels fine.
Do you use shampoo and conditioner?
Yes, we use both.
What kind of shampoo is this?
It's for dry hair.
Can I get a haircut like this picture?
Yes, I can do that style.
Will you use scissors or a machine?
I'll use both. How long will it take? About 20 minutes.
Can you also trim my beard?
Yes, I can do that too.
Do you offer hair coloring?
Yes, we have many colors.
Is it expensive?
It depends on the color and length. Do you have hair gel or cream? Yes, we can apply it for you.
Can I buy some here?
Yes, we sell it at the counter.
Do you accept cards?
Yes, cash and cards both.
How often should I cut my hair?
Every 6 to 8 weeks.
Do you work every day?
We're closed on Mondays.
I like this haircut. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll come again soon. We'll be happy to see you.
Hi, do you sell puppies here?
Yes, we have a few small breeds available.
Can I see the puppies?
Of course, they're in the play area.
What breed is this one?
That's a golden retriever.
Is it friendly with kids?
Yes, very friendly and gentle.
How old is it?
About 3 months old.
Has it had any vaccines?
Yes, the first round is done.
Do you sell food for puppies?
Yes, we have puppy food right over there.
Which brand do you recommend?
Royal Canin is a popular choice.
How often should I feed my puppy?
3 times a day is good at this age.
Do you sell collars and leashes?
Yes, we have many colors and sizes.
I also need a water bowl.
No problem. They're on aisle 3.
Can I return anything if it doesn't fit?
Yes, within 7 days with the receipt.
Do you sell fish too?
Yes, freshwater fish and tanks.
Are they hard to take care of?
Not really. We'll give you care instructions.
What do fish eat?
Fish flakes or pellets once or twice daily.
Do you have pet toys?
Yes, toys for dogs, cats, and birds.
Can I hold the puppy?
Sure, I'll bring it to you.
It's so soft and cute.
Yes, this one is very playful.
I think I'll buy this puppy.
Great! I'll prepare the paperwork.
Thank you for all the help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your new pet.
Hi, I'm looking for a guitar.
Acoustic or electric?
I think I want an acoustic guitar.
Great! We have several models over here.
I'm a beginner. Is this one good for me?
Yes, it's perfect for beginners. How much does it cost? It's $120 with a soft case.
Does it come with strings?
Yes, it's ready to play.
Do you offer lessons too?
Yes, we have weekly guitar classes.
How much are the lessons?
$10 per class for beginners.
Do you sell keyboards as well?
Yes, we have digital keyboards in the back.
Can I try one before I buy?
Absolutely. Let me turn it on for you.
Do you have headphones?
Yes, right next to the speakers section.
Are these headphones wireless?
Some are wireless, others have cables.
Do you sell music books?
Yes, for piano, guitar, violin, and more.
I need a beginner piano book.
Here's a popular one for new learners.
Do you have drumsticks?
Yes, we have wooden and plastic types.
Can I get a guitar pick too?
Sure, we have many shapes and colors. Do you tune instruments here? Yes, we tune and repair instruments.
How long does tuning take?
Just 5 to 10 minutes.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept all major cards.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your music.
I'll come again soon.
Looking forward to it.
Hello, can you fix my pants?
Yes, what needs to be fixed?
They're too long.
I can shorten them for you.
How much will it cost?
It's $8 for hemming.
How long will it take?
About 2 days.
Can I get it by tomorrow?
Yes, with a small rush fee.
That's fine. Please do it.
Great. May I measure your length?
Sure, go ahead.
Stand still, please.
Can you fix this zipper too?
Yes, I can replace it.
How much for the zipper?
$5 for the repair.
Do you fix jackets?
Yes, we repair and resize them.
I want my shirt to be tighter.
I can take it in at the sides.
Can you add buttons to this coat?
Yes, we have many button styles.
Do you sell fabric too?
Only basic materials like cotton and wool.
Can you make a dress from scratch?
Yes, with a design or sample.
I want the same size as this shirt.
I'll use it for measurement.
Can I try it on now?
Sure, the fitting room is over there.
It feels much better now.
I'm glad it fits well.
Do you take card payments?
Yes, and we also accept cash.
I'll bring more clothes next week.
We'd be happy to help.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. See you soon.
Hi, what do you have on the menu?
We have burgers, fries, pizza, and drinks.
I'll take a cheeseburger, please.
Would you like a combo?
What's in the combo?
A burger, fries, and a soft drink.
Yes, I'll take the combo.
What drink would you like?
I'll have a cola, please.
Regular or large?
Regular is fine.
Would you like ketchup or mayonnaise?
Ketchup, please.
Any extra toppings on your burger?
Yes, add extra cheese.
Got it. Anything else?
No, that's all.
That'll be $8.50.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, tap your card here.
How long will it take?
Just 5 to 7 minutes.
Can I sit anywhere? Yes, feel free to choose a table. Do you have napkins?
Yes, they're next to the drink machine.
Is there Wi-Fi here?
Yes, it's free. The password is on the wall.
Can I get the food to go?
Yes, would you like a takeaway bag?
Yes, please.
I'll pack it for you.
The burger smells really good.
Thank you. It's one of our best sellers.
Do you have anything vegetarian?
Yes, we have veggie wraps and salads.
I'll try that next time.
We'll be happy to serve you again.
Thanks for the meal.
You're welcome. Enjoy your food.
Hello, I'm looking for a sofa. Sure. Do you want a fabric or leather sofa? I prefer a fabric. Great. This section has all the fabric sofas. How many people can this sofa seat? It seats 3 people comfortably. Does it come in other colors? Yes, it's also available in gray, blue, and beige. Can I sit on it? Of course. Please try it. It feels soft. Is it good for daily use? Yes, it's designed for comfort and durability. How much is this one? It's $499 on sale. Do you offer delivery? Yes. Delivery is free within the city. How long will delivery take? About 3 to 5 days. Can I buy it online too? Yes. Just visit our website and choose this model. Do you sell dining tables too?
Yes, the dining sets are in the next section.
What is this table made of?
It's made of solid wood.
Does it include chairs?
Yes, it comes with 4 matching chairs.
Can I buy extra chairs?
Yes, each extra chair is $50.
Do you accept installment payments?
Yes, we have 3 and 6-month plans.
What about mattresses?
We have soft, medium, and firm mattresses upstairs.
Can I return furniture if it doesn't fit?
Yes, within 14 days with the receipt.
Is this table easy to assemble?
Yes, it comes with clear instructions.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.
I'll think about it and come back.
Sounds good. We'll be here when you're ready.
Hello, I'd like to buy some flowers.
Sure. Are they for a special occasion?
Yes, it's for my friend's birthday.
Lovely. Do you want a bouquet or a single flower?
A bouquet, please.
What colors does your friend like?
She loves pink and white.
I can make a bouquet with roses and lilies.
That sounds perfect.
Would you like it wrapped with paper or ribbon?
Can you use ribbon?
Of course. Gold or silver ribbon?
Gold, please.
Great choice. It adds a nice touch.
How much does the bouquet cost?
It's $25, including wrapping.
Do you have cards to go with it?
Yes, we have small message cards.
Can I write a message here?
Yes, here's a pen and card.
Do you deliver flowers?
Yes, we deliver within the city.
How much is the delivery charge?
It's $5 for delivery.
Can I choose the delivery time?
Yes, between 10 a.m. and 6 p.m.
Can I pay with my phone?
Yes, we accept mobile payments.
Do you sell potted plants too?
Yes, we have indoor plants and herbs.
What's this plant called?
That's a peace lily, very easy to care for.
How often should I water it?
About once a week. Keep it in shade.
I'll take one of those too.
Perfect. I'll pack it for you.
Everything looks so fresh here.
Thank you. We get fresh flowers daily.
I'll visit again soon.
You're always welcome.
Hello. I'm looking for a toy for my son.
How old is your son?
He's 5 years old.
We have great toys for that age group.
He loves cars and robots.
Then he might like this remote control car.
Is it easy to use?
Yes, even young kids can use it.
How long do the batteries last?
About 2 hours of playtime.
Do the batteries come with it?
No, you need to buy them separately.
How much does it cost?
It's $18.99.
Do you have puzzles too?
Yes, puzzles for all ages are over there.
What's a good puzzle for a 5-year-old?
This animal puzzle has 24 large pieces.
That looks fun. I'll take it.
Would you like it gift wrapped?
Yes, please. It's for his birthday.
We'll wrap it with colorful paper and ribbon.
Do you sell board games?
Yes, games like Candyland and Snakes and Ladders.
Is this game good for family play?
Yes, it's fun and easy to learn.
Do you have any educational toys?
Yes, we have alphabet blocks and number games.
That's great. I'll get this alphabet toy.
Good choice. It helps with learning letters.
Can I return toys if my son doesn't like them?
Yes, within 7 days with the receipt.
Do you have a loyalty program?
Yes, you earn points with every purchase.
Can I use my points today?
Yes, you have enough for a $5 discount.
Thank you for all the help.
My pleasure. Enjoy the toys.
I'll bring my daughter next time.
We look forward to seeing you both.
Hi, what flavors do you have today?
We have vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, mango, and cookies and cream.
Can I taste the mango flavor?
Sure. Here's a small spoon.
That's really good. I'll take a scoop.
In a cone or a cup?
I'd like it in a cone, please.
Waffle cone or regular?
Waffle cone sounds great.
Would you like 1 scoop or 2?
2 scoops. Mango and cookies and cream.
Perfect choice.
Do you have any toppings?
Yes, sprinkles, nuts, chocolate chips, and syrup.
I'll add some sprinkles, please.
Sprinkles it is.
Is the ice cream homemade?
Yes, we make it fresh every day.
That's awesome. Is it dairy-free?
Some flavors are. Mango is dairy-free.
How much is 1 scoop?
$2.50 for 1, $4 for 2.
Can I get a milkshake instead?
Yes, any flavor can be made into a milkshake.
Do you have sugar-free options?
Yes, vanilla and chocolate are sugar-free.
Can I pay with a card?
Yes, we accept cards and mobile payments.
Do you have any special deals?
Yes, buy 2 cones and get 1 free on weekends.
That's good to know. I'll bring friends next time.
We'd love that.
Do you sell ice cream cakes too?
Yes, we have cakes for birthdays and events.
I'll come back for a birthday cake.
Just order 2 days in advance.
Thank you. The ice cream is delicious.
Thank you. I'm glad you liked it.
Have a sweet day.
You too. Come again soon.
Hi, my phone screen is broken.
Let me take a look. What model is it?
It's a Samsung Galaxy A52.
Okay, we have screens for that model.
Can you fix it today?
Yes, it will take about 2 hours.
How much will it cost?
The screen replacement is $90.
Will my data be safe?
Yes, we won't touch your data.
Can you check the battery too?
Sure, is it draining fast?
Yes, it doesn't last long.
I'll test the battery and let you know.
Can I wait here?
You can, or come back later.
I'll come back in 2 hours.
Sounds good?
Do you repair water-damaged phones?
Yes, if the damage isn't too severe.
My friend dropped her phone in water.
Tell her to bring it quickly. We'll check it.
Do you sell phone cases?
Yes, we have many styles and colors. I want a shock-proof case. Here's one with strong protection.
Do you sell screen protectors too?
Yes, we can apply it for free.
Can I trade my old phone here?
Yes, if it's in good condition.
Do you buy phones that don't work?
Sometimes, for parts, let me check it.
Can I pay after the repair?
Yes, you can pay when you pick it up.
Do you give a warranty?
Yes, 30 days for screen repairs.
Thank you. I'll be back soon.
No problem. See you later.
You're very helpful. Thanks again.
You're welcome.